10 legal ways to make extra cash right now.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So, if you want to learn, let's take some notes. Let's get started. Number 1, sell your photos. If you are a part of the majority, you have a phone. A phone has an app store, where you can find so many apps. I already know you have Facebook, but there's Instagram, Bigo, and I heard Elon Musk finally finalized the deal with Twitter, so artists. I hope you are ready. Number 2, create how-to videos. There are a lot of things that you know and acknowledge, that others either wish they knew, or want to learn. Show how to, step by step. Number 3, become a copywriter. Now copywriter is basically a proofreader. Number 4, teaching English. Number 5, turn your interests into a podcast that pays. Please feel free to head over to Fresh and Fit Podcast at the end of the video, they are a great example. Or, Isaiah Saldivar Podcast. Number 6, set up a content and web development business. This video here is great content, so YouTube is a great platform to use, try, and help start careers for many. Number 7, become a translator and interpreter. Look, real talk, there are so many people out there separate from the USA, that just don't know a lick of English. Let's state the facts. Number 8, try dropshipping or e-commerce. There are platforms out there like Shopify, Etsy and others, just search them up, or go to the comments down below. Number 9, become a life coach, or even a travel coach. Number 10, become an audiobook narrator. Here's that bonus, if you made it this far you get this bonus for being a seeker of knowledge. Number 11, create a money-making blog. So what are you doing sitting here? Like the damn video and get out there and begin creating art, you young whippersnapper.